You know.
Here's Coeur d'Alene in the background, beautiful Coeur d'Alene. Here's Dee swimming. And Raheem on the camera. Can you turn the camera?
Hello.
And me, this is Margaret. And I'm gonna do some synchronized swimming for you with Dee. Here you go, shot.
No.
Now we're having a little rest break because we've had a lot of exercise.
Okay.
I'm still motoring.
Where do we live? Where are we staying? Oh.
Oh, you can't see our house.
Oh, you
Down
can't see
there,
our house, yeah.
in the cul-de-sac.
Okay.
We'd really like to be in the really, really big house on the right, but we're 1, 2, 3.
You can't.
You
It's
can't
hidden.
see it. There's 3
It's
houses.
in the trees.
And it's hidden in the trees.
It's quite
Oh.
lovely.
But it's still lovely, right?
Got a fantastic
Yes,
view.
it's absolutely fabulous.
And we're having an ab workout out here.
Laughing their asses off. Margaret!